I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drain a fuel tank. Before you begin, prioritize safety. Always work in a well-ventilated space to avoid inhaling harmful fumes. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely cool. Disconnect the negative terminal of your battery to prevent any accidental sparks. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby, just in case. Now let's access the fuel system. First, find your vehicle's fuel pump relay or fuse, usually in the fuse box. Next, locate the fuel line that runs from the tank to the engine's fuel rail. You might need a specialized fuel line disconnect tool for certain connectors. Have a large, approved fuel container ready. It should hold at least 15 to 20 gallons. With everything prepared, it's time to drain. Disconnect the fuel line, ideally at the fuel rail or filter, and direct it into your approved container. Now, briefly jump the fuel pump relay for about 5 to 10 seconds to activate the pump. The fuel will begin to flow. Keep a close eye on the process and stop the pump once the tank is completely empty. Once the tank is empty, it's time to finish up. Reconnect all fuel lines, ensuring they are secure and leak-free. Put the fuel pump relay or fuse back into its proper place. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal of your battery. Remember to dispose of the old fuel responsibly at an approved hazardous waste facility. Never pour it down a drain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.